As I said it before, I will say it again. Only President Emmerson Mnangagwa can stop kutungwarara. Ndizadabwina mashoko kubuda panguva inoi kunyatso kuonekwa kunzi macamps akunyatso kuonekwa, mafactions akunyatso kuonekwa mu the ruling party ZANU-PF, vanhu vachiya vachisapota ava vanhu vavo vakasiyana siyana. Muzora nhasi ndine mashoko akauya akalodhewa akabatwa naChipo Musarurwa. Panguva inoi hatuna kuti vana Chipo Musarurwa ndo vamwe vanosapota ma-empowerment programs ana tungwarara vachiti vana Tagwirei tinokuona kuti munoshandisa mari kuti mutenge pawa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Anoenderambira achiti no amount of noise, no parade of paid for outrage, and certainly no cabal of desperate detractors will derail his momentum. A coordinated smear campaign being rolled by Kudakwash Tagwirei and executed through a tired cast mercenaries Afia Nyasha, Kanshaya, Mutisi, Padare, Snowball, and the ever noisy Mnangagwa. These are not critics, they are hired guns, peddling propaganda in exchange of crumbs for the table of a threatened oligarchy. But here's the truth, they cannot silence Tungwarara. Is a force of empowerment. He is aligned with the people, with the grassroots, and with the vision of the President's 2030 agenda. His work speaks louder than their hashtags. His impact is felt in communities, not in Twitter threads. The desperation of his opponents is telling. They know they cannot make his influence, so they resort to digital mudslinging. But you cannot Photoshop credibility, you cannot manufacture grassroots support, and you certainly cannot buy the kind of loyalty Tungwarara commands, because it is earned, not purchased. Tungwarara is not going anyway. He is here to stay. No amount of noise from Tandaheads will change that. The people see through the crate. They know who is working for Zimbabwe and who is working for their own pockets. Mashoko aitwa panapa nemumwe weanother faction Musarurwa achitaura pamusoro paTungwarara. Tungwarara umozoti ane allegations corruption nemacompanies ake, but we are seeing the same people vanenge vachimusapota vachiatakana vachiatakaona naTagwirei zvinatso kubuda pachena kuonekwa kunzi zvigaranda zviri kupandukirana. Impotedza mafungiro enyu mudezi mamoti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.